Greetings from Lombok. Last week the island suffered a huge earthquake which destroyed thousands of houses, and a lot of amazing people from Denmark and other places sent donations our way so we could help the locals here. And we received so much money that we spent the last week trying to figure out how we put them in the best use. And therefore we chose to meet with Ali and Diana and the head of the village in Grandangan, where more than 1,000 people live and have lost their homes. Today we've pledged to donate 10 traditional houses to the village of Grandangan, and in Grandangan then we need about 350 houses more. We hope that this project will be a beginning of a larger donation spiral, and we hope that this will inspire others to also start a project in other villages so we can help rebuild Lombok. By giving people a place to live, we give them an opportunity to restart their lives so they can start to go back to work, to go back to school and start their daily activities again. I want to tell you that I'm just a tourist here and I started this project by chance, and I really discovered that even the smallest donations make a huge difference. So please consider sending some donations this way, because they go directly to the village, and we promise that it will do only good by rebuilding Grandangan. Thank you.